My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.
No, but Tom Oban, I've got the Queen.
Siqalisile.
Don't call it.
Hayi, uqhawenge with the wife,
With the
dog.
wife, man.
With the wife. Not 2000.
Lesbian is a sexual. Oh my kids are sex. Zafa my kids and me penis. Oh my kids are sex.
Sexual intercourse with TV, bro.
Ungabukela the Queen, dog. But uba nomuntu ulokuzenini umama lwana. Hey, webe sithi, no, but Shaka, I told you what uShaka. Yeah, vele. What omnye wethi rinatlile likhatlile. Babe 3. They chai melting pot. Ingqina, amangqina. Alengo. So
Language.
So it's okay ukuthi mina ngizabe ngishaya ngesingisi.
So 1 2 1 2 testing.
Ngigcine nishaya ngani?
No, I can speak English.
Ngimaratha.
English. Can I? You know that
I'll tell you maratha.
photosynthesis.
Mina ngiyaqamba mangakawani ngikhaya.
Uzithini?
Uyabona ijoke line ukuthiwa utshela abazali ukuthi esikole kufunakala imali ye-photosynthesis.
Eish.
Mina ngakwenza kawani. Ngathi imali ground maintenance. Obviously ngikwazi ngathi photosynthesis.
Bazazi bami.
Ngenzile ukuthi isikole because ngangu first team ye disc le basket.
Yeah.
Ngenzile ukuthi sidonate ngaba 15 USI ground maintenance. Keep masala. I take each other.
Uyakwazi la kale esikodwa uthi.
Akwazi. I'm sure akukhumbula.
So yeah, gents, before we start, is there anyone ofuna ukukhuluma anything? Ofuna ukuyikhipha esifubeni before we get serious?
Anything specific?
No. Anything ofuna ukukhuluma besides? Just akhuluma ko podcast namuhla. Maybe ngcoba kuyalile. Funa sikududuze.
So hake before.
Yeah,
because singa proceed futhi siyakhuluma amanyala.
Mthetho isilonke isibhizi lapha sibona.
Yangicabanga nje ukuthi isikhathi
I'm out isekhala la.
Ngokukhuluma amanyala ngokukhuluma amachera njani ngathi omnye member wathi ngibona inchere kinjalo.
Hey bro.
Achera bagqama nglazi lana.
So guys,
abantu besabatha general.
ukhona ufuna ukukhuluma anything?
Bang dararang. SDA got all the hoes. Libonile imimi lena kade circulate ukuthi kuthiwa amahula short epower abantu be-SDA
ngabe meeting. Bekuthiwa SDA hands are the most loyal hands, yabo. Then omunye umuntu wase comment wathi ngathi why nxa lise meeting amahula be short epower.
Yeah, bekungela ho.
I think SDA change ithwele nzima bro. Yo. What reason angazi bro?
Ngoba lizenzo holier than thou.
No.
Lina lingo hornier than thou.
Nasifele ukuthi asidli pork like that.
Abantu be-SDA, but it's fine even if half of my family is SDA anyway, so.
Okunye ipart le yokuthi holier than thou to some extent like liqinise yabo. Because lami nginje so ngidi SDA like ngiyaface discrimination yona leyo ngiphakathi yabo kunjenge racism
shame
uthi kulawo ndamnyama bazondanda amnyama
azoyifeli fame mfana. I'm sure vele abantu be-church yakho bengabona i-podcast le
abakhona obukela funny na
but i-type yakho bela ngamajida njengawe
na abakhona abafundisi ababukela benzela ukuthi bela benza i-reference mase bechumayela.
Mina I hope umfundisi wamvela kakubukeli lokho.
But bro akula muntu olila.
But the SDA yengani le it's okay to my understanding ngathi it's structure sakhona se strict. Uyakwazi nawe baphosa bangixotsha SDA emachula ngomnye umdala uthi ngubani umdala lwa ngoba i-haircut yami yayilama design esayidi.
Bro. Bro.
No ke ngiyacela ngokuzo sejuice church indoda.
Izolo church anibenze church kuthiwa
There was no need for you to mention the anti in church. Fonti solo church.
Benzi church, bro.
All right, kube.
Benzi church zolo. Otwa. I was wondering at when holier than thou, like when holy, udlula abantu abaningi la. Ontanga wakho basezulwini abo Abraham labo Moses sidingana emhlabeni noma ubone ngathi inkinto yakho ihambela sharp.
What is Christ vele these days isisiba le circular. Tell you circular, mfundisi. Tell you circular wini. Isecurity ayunandi. So ngasokuthi is Christ these days ngasithi deshwa ngesecularism.
Sewe desha ngokabza.
Ngoba ema church kathi abafasi begqoka amajini.
But emakhiweni vele
Nayiko mva ipostori mina. Ngale kule order ngathi.
Ba unxuse emapostori nihamba ziyo nari garment. Asingasaba lesihlahla bro. Igarment.
Hayi garment anankinga la. Inzuda.
Nzuda I don't mind because vele li brand lami.
Wona vele suphakathi. Ubuza boza.
Yeah.
Manje nce to them that to prove your commitment here.
Ba connector sharp lo modimo.
Bangena bazosihlahla izulu lisini. Kule church lani se hayi mboza ngaqamba location ngabona ngizakhuluma something. Ngizakhuluma something.
Kwenzakala nechurch khona.
Ndoda iseceleni kwethara ndoda. Kule ijeep ejalo uyakhumula abane sasihlala khona 2019. Ungakho siye robot indeni likhulu lena after I flyover lapha awungani kuloku kompa so masibuya sivela lapha esendhlala khona kathesi sisiya okuhlala khona uJohn ekhona indlu kaJohn yabona so nje siyama siqanisa intaba ngade mase sifika ku intersection yana across istrada leseni famous leseni kompa uhlala lamajida every Sunday mini ngoba sengabona 3 weeks in a row umdala ohamba ngejeep so uyayimisa ngoba amajida line so ebondeni kuphela ziyabe zimile so zi receive iholi angazi
big abasebenzela bro yabo
I mean if they keep going there then
bagcineni nuke church kabelo
bengikhambile
nuke church bro
bengikhambile
azamufika phela
isiqoqela so ke church isiqoqela ukukhuluma lo nkulunkulu
no lokhu ngiyabuza but zamu
that is the siqoqela
wena zibuza ukuthi wayitshwala bomnandi eBhawa
so wena uthi lokukhuluma lo nkulunkulu umnandi church same wetshwala bomnandi eBhawa
yabo
that is a great analogy bro that is a great analogy umfana of you
episode 47 46 dog
kule viki phela sacha 2 did
sure episode 46 ladies and gentlemen boys and girls welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast Ingo 99
aka umsangano and shit.
Yeah, if you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Mgcini. Yeah, Mgcini. I'm your host.
Khuluma vele nguyiboss yecompany. Nanje wakhuluma last episode. Wangifaka abantu last episode. Bathi mina njengoboss wecompany ngathi whoa. Umuntu seqhathiwe la.
Yakwazi siyafanana lapha. We're all the same.
Just ngisela.
Ngikhamba lo host.
Kbrizzy aka Big Slippery.
Yeah. Yini big slippery dog. Yini slippery.
Big slippery. That's okay.
Ngathi khuluma ngamasenglish. Yeah. What are you talking about?
Awuzakuyibona ngayisingani yachelela lapha sometimes.
Nganga esandleni kumbe
ungayikhipha ubusuchibilika la between uyikhipile phone.
Kodwa ngikhumbuza something. Kodwa ngikhumbuza something. Kulo muntu esimdinga kulo masale ngimdingayo bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, before this episode before this episode goes any further, there is a certain lady that we're looking for. Asikwazi ukuthi abantu sebengasithola ama contacts kasisilo or anonymous maybe bafuna ukutholakala.
Abamaziyo ani?
Dog angisendelela ngo private chat. Angisendelela ngo private chat.
No, sengikhohliwe. Mana ngithi I think ikhona lapha.
Mana ngicheck. Uyamazi umuntu esimchoyo mfundisi. Sisilo nothi ipake phakathi chama hazard.
Nansi la.
Awusizulaje. We would no asimazi but we would really like, if we can get the contact like we would
I think
like to have on the
episode yankhona vele sehle si dedicated to
yena
kuzenini sexual twani sex education
ngobusisi lo ngathi ule
hayi le ukuthi uzaniqedisa ngomunwe shuwa usebenzisa ubox wena wachama wangena eKapa lodumo mina songishiya seniqediswa ngomunwe ubox uthi ngiyokumele aqedise udaba lonke. Uyabona futhi ngifuna ukulikhuza bobaba seliqedile khona phana. Angathi labe lilibizwe ngaphi sokujaha umuntu sehlenye yomuntu. Uyanga. Iyeke liphakathi izibhakele lapha nichaya amahazards. Iwala. Lokuqeda sokutatazela umuntu sekhipha senyomba hawu.
Cheers.
Ayisikho bomama lapha nxa uyizwe yabichaya amahazards.
Usezilafu. Umazalo usisi lwakazi usisi lo blind
But kuzamele sibone indlela yokuzama ukukhatha ingoma le ekhala in between. YouTube singasilokhuza.
ngakhona lokho
Yeah, singasiflega la sicine singasayenzanga imali.
Lenzi boss manje nikhuluma.
Yeah, ngiyakutshela phela ukuthi
ngitshela ukuthi angiholi this month.
Nxa sengasekho. Ngizokwazi ukuthi into lezi zisebenza njani.
So aringasitholela usisi lo nimtshele ukuthi asisi imtshele udawula ama fan. We are big fans.
So guys, if you're tuning in for the first time, please don't forget to like this video right now.
Comment
right now.
Subscribe.
Like right now. Asiqalisi episode le ungayenzanga khona ukuzitshela.
Siyathula.
Like yabona. Ungazuthi sikhangele usirudulele wena. Khangele phi. Kaya usikhangele ubone ngani sizoqhubeka. Like ubone ngani sizoqhubeka. Ungazange wa like or commenta wasitshela ukuthi usibukele ungaphi. Like usibukele office.
Njengani abantu abaningi abasukela bese Spanini.
Yeah.
Sizalisinitshela ukuthi libukele iPodcast umsangano in shit
during working hours.
During our working hours.
Yeah. So today what are we talking about? Shout out to ASAF.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes. ASAF dropped Big Mhofu.
Yeah.
A lot of production on it was done. When I feel kulabantu baziwe na ku hip hop ngaphandle. Like uka ASAF lo Panas.
Ngiyamazi uRocky Dabo ohlala ukukhuluma ngaye. Ngiyamazi ubani futhi uFish Ndaramu. Ngiyamazi uThomani futhi omanye. Yeah, Mrs K hip hop.
Fani yazi into ekhuluma yona benziwe something else but ngizothi Mrs K. But una vele benzokunye lapha.
Uzubuzwe.
Most of the production, is it all of the songs, bro? On album is, I don't know if it's an EP.
No, it's an album.
6 of the songs. So most of the production was done by
It's a 7-track album, yeah?
7 or 8.
I think it's 7, dog.
It is for the Apple Music,
I think it's 7.
Check it out.
So, ulaleli album.
Yes, I played it through a couple of times.
Okay.
And
so
one of my it's a 7-track.
Yeah.
Universal Music South Africa.
Def
Jam Recordings Africa.
Ngilalelile mini album.
Uyizwe nje?
Asibiyele kona bekuthenwe nothe igwila ama track ngo 8. Now utshela le 7 wenza.
Hayi. The problem ukuthi nothing to lose gameplay ka 2.
Oh.
Yeah, well, that's what happened. So that's why I thought it was 8 songs.
So yeah, without interjecting, ulibone njani album and
Finance is Chase Kyoto.
Ungali ranka.
I don't know. I don't know how well I can rate it. Am I rating it against my work? Am I rating it against what's out there, or am I rating it against his previous work?
Look,
so I'm confused.
Look, I think yabe kukuwe yabona ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza iphi category yokuranka.
What I picked up actually on this album was the hunger. You know, when an artist grows through a process, yeah, the hunger kind of goes away. Besikhuluma ngathi besipopota ngani ngathi semoteni. Sithi Big Sean, besikhuluma Big Sean. Ngoba nanye simqambileyo. Besikhuluma G-Eazy, bro. We're talking about G-Eazy in the car, and then you said music can change because the more established an artist becomes, it's like so I don't know what happened. Maybe something happened in his personal life, or it's because of the Def Jam deal, but he sounds hungry again. For me, he sounded like someone who's back at that point where he was still having shit to prove.
Okay.
Yeah. Now not now. Okay, I guess Mina you hear my next album. Guti, I don't sound as hungry. It sounds William, I think. But it's because I have a full-time job. Ngachiwe, ngapi.
But don't you think
Job is job.
Don't you think what he's trying to attract a wider audience by doing that? Because some of the songs are in English, all of them. Like,
but that's all he ever rapped in.
Yeah.
Where is it for? Why rapping on Ndebele?
no, yaga rape. Yaga fag is shona here and there. Yaga fag is in the bed.
Maybe abanye abantu.
Yeah, no,
Like people
ASAP.
on his songs.
Yeah, no, ASAP.
ASAP.
Lengoma that was featured on, I think, by Jema something.
Washa ngishona.
Yeah, Washa is in the bed.
Wathi? Ntombazana, do you wanna go?
So I feel like ukuhlabela in English, yabo khonoko it shows ihanga khona ukuthi he's no longer targeting
Five Street.
Bulawayo people or
HNS.
yeah. So suqedile. Out of 8 out of 10, I mean, how do you rate the album?
I'll give it a 7
7
out of 10.
out of 10.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Wow, I will say I thought it was gonna have more features. I don't know. Most artists usually when you get to a platform like that, you also try to get like I thought I was gonna see my essay features, but then again, I don't know what he's working with. I don't know where his mindset was at. Mloki Belutebele.
And also there's that holy.
Oh, that's an essay guy.
Cherry.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Luano sound njengo hour. Gula no sound njengo hour.
Tomba.
Oh, I thought it was umntwana be chasing Ndebele my chance. Yeah.
Yeah. So mina
Uzongana ndlalela ngialbum.
usuziveza
So
ukalo
uyangisa la.
uqase wathi
Yeah. Fa ucikini icani kathanda. Ubalani.
bese ngubalile. But alright, sharp. Then mina my take on the album is ngililalela kwesi2 andisiqale sililalela lapha udlala Need for Speed utuzana emduli.
Njama bona.
Ngaphinda ngalilalela futhi and
Need for Speed onunzima la.
yeah, what I can say is ngililalela lingikhumbuze yabona era lani a cash time. Like I'm not saying it sounded like music a cash time, but the feeling engiyitholile
That's the feeling.
yabo ingibisele back to izikhathi ze cash time, and I think into abe sharp ngayo like sequencing of ingoma zakhe ziyalandelana, like story sangikhona whatever khona kazama message azama ukuyiphusha kule.
He's always been
Yeah,
he's always been a storyteller.
Yeah,
So really that's his angles.
fully order. So I feel like sequencing tick, but I feel like the album liphele ku track 6 yabo, like ungalalela sharp ku track 6 lapha phela khona.
Oh, it's true.
Yeah,
It's true because he even ngathi uyavalelisa at
Yabo.
the end of the track.
yeah,
And then sokusiba le qwing
ku track 6
uthebelele sesiba yi. Bathi kwini bonus track.
Yeah.
Uthebelele lafana. In all honesty, in all fairness, it felt like it didn't fit into the album, but it was the single. It was.
uthebelele laphana singathi uyisiqinti utshela ukubona lapha mouse uqedile ukubrusha
Nana,
lapha
you are disgusting.
nxa usuqedile ukubrusha laphana ukuthi qwing. Yeah, I feel like even the sound kathebelele was kind of from the whole album. And I think what else? What else?
I don't know. It's all okay. Cool.
I'm not musical. Angazi ukuthi what do you call
No one thought you were.
Yeah. What are you saying?
I'm
I'm not an artist.
Yeah, you were not fooling anyone. It's not like someone out there is watching this. Oh, this guy is not an artist.
Yeah, but no.
Yabazi.
I'm just telling abantu ababukele for the first time. Ababoni ngani mina ngci.
Shape piano.
Ngithomba. Ngupapa pen. kule element adeyifaka angazi ukuthi ngama voice notes or
Oh, yes.
ama conversations.
Yes.
I feel like he overdid it. Yabo,
Oh,
like
yes.
because khona i-concept sharp.
Yeah.
But yabo mouse ukufaka
Was it on
engomeni zonke or majority of the songs, I feel like yabo sukusebenzisa kakhulu. So out of 10, I think I'll rate the album 8. Yeah. Nigga 8.
Solid, yeah. Into lena yama voice note vele it's usually it's like it creates atmosphere more. Mina I used to like doing that, but I moved into, you remember we used to like doing those things. Must record, okay, Panas is here.
Yeah.
That's why I'm talking. Panas is here. When we're doing a studio session, most of the time, bengithi mangiqeda ukurapper, you wouldn't stop recording, and then you would hear like ambience, oh, I like that fucking take or whatever it is. I like that ambience, and that's the one mina I started, especially in this new project, that we use more than using a voice note. But it's pretty much the same concept. It's just adding to. I want you to understand where I'm at.
Try kwenzani? Lama musician akwazi.
It's creating ambience, bro.
So I feel like going at the element lani yokuzama uku-involve abantu ku-process yonke ku-record. Like i-podcast when test qala besenzani, like sizixoxele saqala sashaya ingxoxo sayiphusha then phakathi pa. But then my next question would be, i-Def Jam ingena ngaphi ku-album lika ASAP right now? Because I'm seeing ukuthi udrophile album into ake wayenza before and ebekwanisa ukuthi ayenze without i-Def Jam, like so umbuzo wami ukuthi where does i-Def Jam come in go ASAP right now?
I don't know. Yo man, earlier I actually said I expected more features. That's not what I meant. I meant I expected SA features, but did it tell you guys they were I don't know.
No, when I think you were referring to like the big names.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think
which
so.
was on your feature like the big names.
But Loki is a big name.
It's like this, and
sure.
If Def Jam, man, it's like a distribution company. So they're the ones handling, they're publishing and distributing of music to other places. So yeah, when I want to
which other places?
I don't know. It's up
I'm
to them
tired.
now. It's up to them. When I just like when ASAP was distributing his own music and he was limited, he could distribute maybe to a certain number of people in SA.
Yeah.
But now that with under Def Jam, we can now distribute to more listeners in SA, to more listeners outside people who are subscribed to Def Jam Africa. So think of it as a
So do you know it's a distribution deal? That's the educated guess right now.
That's the educated guess right now. Which Def Jam is like a distribution company.
Because mina
It's a
ngithe
label, so they are responsible for distributing.
because yes ba postile ku social media page Instagram i-Def Jam, but engagement bro ASAP is postile one
today.
ulama like samaningi adlula yona i-Def Jam yabo. So
a lot of people actually, Mina, I'll say this because a lot of people ask me, and Mina, I just didn't ask him what was going on. But I didn't think it was my place to ask him anyway. So abantu abaningi thought the Def Jam deal ngani ngamadili lana yabona awe empire lana, or this is take a vele sikutholela indlu, sikutholela like ambitious entertainment type of things.
what about the motor
Vele life
like
yakho
that.
you know.
It's a label and also a distribution company.
Oh,
So it probably wasn't one of those deals or whatever. They also took control of the entire recording process. They gave him a house, gave him a car. Just
Local now, it depends on what's written, who contract, like with what are they going to provide, what are they going to do. Maybe when they supplied funds for him to get the 2 SA artists. And
okay.
So it's just a speculation.
yeah, we don't know.
Hey, sounds speculator now.
Yeah.
He has to pay or he has to do this. So
And he gets playlisted now. I saw he's on SA hip hop playlist when Tebelele came out. So I'm sure there's going to be at least 2 or 3 songs that are going to get playlisted on those Apple Music, which is still something like someone like me. We have to apply for that shit, ne? and then we have to submit our song, and they'll put us under consideration, which is email talk for.
But anyway, shout out to ASF on dropping the new album. Did you see the Sandra Ndebele album launch?
I just saw it, bro. I just saw a thing. Apparently, she sold 37,000 US.
You saw a screenshot.
Yeah, that's all I saw.
So,
and the whole thing just sounds.
okwenzekeleyo yabo ma singathi break it down for abantu abangakwazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. So Sandra Ndebele launched angazi ukuthi album lesingayi, but it was an album, and the Deputy Minister of Arts, Honorable Tino Machakaire, bought a CD for. Are you ready for the amount?
Say it.
Can I get a drum roll? $13,000 US.
CD81.
CD81. Then Finance Minister Thuli Ncube, $8,000 US of it.
Jesus.
Then Reason Spand Zim Music Awards boss, $4,500.
Mina personally, being someone who's also active in the music industry, I support this.
Dalel ungathi mina udinga uthi personal. Ungathi mina udinga uthi personal.
Udinga udanda wena mfana utheni?
Ngathi mina
siyacisha ama camera la
sichaneni
khali inqindi la
sichaneni bese siphenduke sizo record. You're saying, bro?
So mina myself and I personally, because I'm involved in the music industry, I respect the notion of what this implies, because we're trying to add value to art, and the only way you can lead is from the front. When people in these positions add value to art like this, I support it. That's all I'm gonna say.
What's your take,
you can
bro?
tell I wanted to say more, but that's all I'm gonna say.
Nah, you can.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Whatever,
we need more people actually abafaki value towards the art.
But I have a question.
What's your question?
Out of all the album launches, why specifically this one? Why did they have to go to that extent?
No, bro.
Mina,
Mina, here's my 2 cents. Without offending anyone or provoking anyone. Yeah, it disclaimer for it as lama interest abantu at heart, even the weight. So I'm just going to say it
okay
as it is. First and foremost,
here comes the bomb, man.
I think abantu ababhadale izimali lezi ngabangani bakhe. Sisingasa ikachana ukuthi which political party are they affiliated to? Ngabangani bakhe. Ebe kwanisa. Do you have something to say? Hey gents, hey.
Kanti lithini?
Yey.
Lina bafana engahlangana labo lapha. Engingabaziyo lithini?
So, ngabangani bakhe bebe supporta umngani wabo. That's
fine.
why bekhipha imali abayikhipileyo. And again, one might say it was a publicity stunt, because there is no proof ukuthi i-13K we paid it. Maybe nxa sazopost ama statement or ama briefcase wezizumbulu zemali. But I feel like she's a marketing genius by doing that, if we're marketing strategy, because already people are talking now. People are saying hey mali, hey abantu imali,
I'm feeling wonder abantu vele bahle bathi kuthiwa imali.
Hey political what affiliation. Then
I mean, I guess if
umbuzo wami mina enzawa la ecineni ukuthi okay, if it's political affiliation, when as an artist why ungenzi the same? Because yabona ukuthi yena she joined whatever she joined and kuyamsebenzela. Why not do it now as an artist? When as an artist, Kbrizzy, yabona ukuthi Sandra is flourishing ngendlela yenza ngayo. Wena why la ungajoin?
na join affiliation.
Oh, so right. So was a thing. So was a keep on my
Joining company and cool. I don't know, bro. It's just a matter of choice. To be honest, also it's easy for people to say, "Hey, mina what,"
Yeah.
but the opportunity has never presented itself. Mina is because maybe no one has ever approached me like that. I'm pretty sure if someone came at me like that, ngibo ni mali. But I'm not having, sometimes I can't.
So now, do you think for an artist to be big or get the support in Zim, do you have to be affiliated with a specific political party or?
It depends on what you mean by to be big, because to achieve fame and to have people enjoy your music, that has nothing to do with the affiliation. You just put your songs out there.
Yeah. No, but I bet. Sure.
So to be big, you might need there's other gatekeepers in the industry anyway. That's a different story. But if you're talking about being big financially to make money and to actually be able to live off music, maybe you might. Because Lapa, what really happened is, however much money, 20.
So vumelana la mphela ukuthi affiliation yasiza umuntu utabe big.
Mina ngithi big omchoyo ngowani ngwemali ongokuthi are people going to listen to your music, because
even
this,
the music yakho
what just happened right now doesn't guarantee that we'll enjoy the song.
Like
do you know what I'm saying?
It's like it doesn't really, I think for some people it doesn't really matter whether they listen to your music or not, but as long as you make a profit out of it.
Exactly. You're going to see. So to get financial stability and what maybe you might need. Exactly. But for your music, for people to actually fuck with your music at the nationwide level, people just need to love your music. And you might not need but it's not guaranteed to Sandra. She's a household name. So people are going to listen to it. They're going to play it.
No matter what, people are going to listen to your music. But some bees are very formal, big functions and everything because it's her.
So we say ngokuthi futhi what level are you at in your career yakho?
Yeah.
Ngangisa ngumuntu osafuna ukwazakala. I still need hit songs. But ngase ngazakala, bro, I'm already established. All of the radio stations are going to play my shit. It's going to play on TV. I'll take the money. It's nothing, dog.
Yeah, but I mean, ngikhuluma in terms of affiliation versus talent. Like talent ilo lenza abantu babe big, bro. Banga abantu aba talented out there esingabaziyo, yabo. So xa nisithi ukuthi affiliation yenza umuntu utabe big, into engikhuluma ngayo nale ukuthi for your name to pop out, like
you have to
abantu babe wise, yabo.
But in that case I saw political affiliation. Lena yikho kuthiwa industry ngile gatekeepers.
No, bengikhuluma in terms of izim. Not
in general, really.
You need to have connections, whether you are qualified or not qualified.
Yeah, but with the Zim situation, check how most artists that are affiliated with the are popping.
Yeah, but
Ndinabezapho. Ayemthokazi. Inabemthokazi Lizabeli lisithi hey.
Basazekhuluma ni FM. Thina basazekhuluma ni FM kuphela.
Yeah.
It all goes down to politics.
Yeah.
Yes, Nota uyakusolve konke lokho. Didn't you hear what Big Bro Nota said? He said he's killing gatekeeping, boy.
But I know.
Let's talk about.
Anyways, 2023 is coming. Register to vote.
I also said he wants to work with our artists. He's considering moving to Bulawayo to work with some of the artists.
Now umkhwenyana abantu abafazi
Hey, sokuthiwa abafazi
ngiyabahlonipha.
Yebo, for artists ulandubani unanathina.
Wena abafazi siyambonga umakoti ngokusilethela umkhwenyana manje sebenza lelo kuzeni.
Ngizabo litheni ulanda ukuzosipana no Chuck the Lunatic.
But yeah, shout out to Sandra Ndebele again for dropping an album.
Lo ASF. Fine.
We are here for it.
Kadani ASF nani ngingasamdabuleli nani kuthiwe Mgcini buys ASF album 6.2.
6.2 what RTGs?
6.2 something.
No, thina sikhulumile ukuthi ababona ukuthi Sandra wenzani? Abayenze lapho.
Mina kubisela imali yakho next week. Seyikhulume na member yakhe.
Ukuthi
Sika phela la album ye1.5 and then ilaksa la just 3 weeks ngibisele imali yakho. Because ama journalists can also not publish something that is false. They need to for journalistic integrity.
because 13K.
Yeah.
They publish something which is false. They do it all the time, especially Zim. I'm a journalist. They always publish something.
Find out you are dangerous.
Yeah, so the city can just hey. What else has been happening?
2023 is coming. What did you say in 2023? Oh, to register to vote.
Yeah,
I saw apparently there was a.
Are you a registered voter? No, kuqakathekile ku-80 element yokuba serious singahlali isikhuluma ngekaka nomdavazo kuphela every time mas record podcast.
Khona basiqale ngusisi lo ipakitsha ama.
Ipakitsha ama.
Yebisenzani? Kebe ngumsipha.
Bro.
Iyabisenzani mayi.
Hey.
Ngayichama azathi.
Likuzame ndizabe yisitshela ukuthi
I heard there was supposed to be a show in Bulawayo, Ratilo Holy Tendo, ASF and someone else that was supposed to encourage people to register to vote, but I saw it on whose did yeah. Apparently, police said they should not go ahead with it. I don't know. I might be very ill informed.
Yo,
but that's what it sounded like.
ZRP, bro. Bavalide.
So
I have
anyway,
no say.
Come on, guys, register to vote. World Cup years, huh?
Yeah, the World Cup is coming.
Who's your favorite?
But before Samba World Cup, who are you voting for? 2023 elections.
Nas ngavota one. Ngavota 2000. Was it 2017? Those elections. Ngakati pass.
I think
ngakati pass into. Ngakati pass last minute. I'm emphasizing ngakati pass.
Okati pass.
Because pass lana yasuke yada disebulawa ile standing. Mina akwazi ukuthi abantu bakati pass 6 hours be standing. Lisenzani khwapha. Tangible. I couldn't even taste the food I was eating, bro.
Because give us a humble mnugu wekhwapha.
Lisenzani ampit. Labana nganzithi I'm going to fix the country.
Did you fix the country man?
Ngingathi hayi lizabona ningavotela omnye umuntu engavotela. So ngikhulu umuntu kohamba njani. Yikonithulile ngithi I'm going to fix the country. That was a ngikhuluma statement.
Ngiyakhona kuyahlupha yabo. Mase sikhanya sikhuluma ukuthi sizavotela abanye.
My vote my secret.
No, I think umuntu enzamvotela ngumuntu ozabuya ngimnika interview ku podcast.
Yeah.
Or a politician. Yeah.
What if singahle spledge abantu ababukela I podcast la be pledge ukuthi umuntu esiyamletha ku podcast la.
Ngesimvotelayo.
Thina siyakwazi ukupledge ama youth umuntu uzazibophisa la.
No, because
I take that shit back.
What I'm saying is if podcast
this is a bad idea. This is a bad idea.
Podcast layer hasn't been captured. So if you are a political president of a party asazi ukuthi yipi and you wish to capture this show,
we are for sale.
Give us the money.
Give us the money. Siyakufaka podcast la.
So yeah, because I think mina right now into a vital game yabo I podcast lesiyenza yabo, and if any politician ezo campaigner give me a sure support like a practical to what I'm doing, why not? Because ngiyabona ukuthi ngile future yokuthola support yabona yokuvota.
That's what people say.
Yeah.
Khona kwenza ukuthi abantu beda, that's what they call selling out most.
What do you mean?
Ukuthi you very effective, let's say your morals or your integrity is for sale.
When it disclaimer 10.
But Vuma, what do you want Vuma? What yes, I want to sell out.
Aye, actually selling out, bro. You choice yami.
Because when
Mina right now, I want to awalendaba give me a girlfriend enza wala engakabi layo. I family yami. And one of after that, bro.
But lalela phela. Lalela. This is where I'm going.
Sure.
When you have a platform,
yeah,
now, and there are people that follow that platform,
sure,
and you are in a position to what they call persuade, common, let's say, you can persuade people to look at things a certain way.
Yeah.
So you have that access. Now the idea is, what you're basically saying right now is you haven't formulated where you stand. you are willing for someone to come ekubhadale ekutshela ukuthi make people think this. That is what selling out is.
Ayikho kubhadala nje uthi
ngiyevuma
lalela wena ukuthi mina nje lalela wena into engikhulumayo nthe umuntu enzamsupport nxa lingizwe kuqala eqaseni nthe umuntu esizamsupport umuntu ozenzani ozabuya ku podcast interview anza ngathi umuntu ozasinika imali.
Okay,
yabo
hayi ka sell out umgcini yerentisa
but yeah that's the perfect that's the one siyarentisa though. Yeah, kunjenge advert yabo ngeza ke sihlale siku advertise like throughout ma khona omnye uzabuya sinika imali athi futhi sim advertise like the next week, then yeah,
which is true that. So okay, I'm happy now that you're making this ukuthi just in case abantu sebekubona usupusha a certain political agenda.
Yeah,
so I podcast let's say sell out, but it wasn't the problem when we were pushing certain products. Of which products is fucking capitalism. That is actually just as bad as politics. So much nansi campfire. So much advertise the campfire I didn't have. But maybe when the political agenda actually affects the livelihood and state of affairs in the nation. Angas.
Hey, 2023 is coming. Register to vote. That's all we can say. And besides, I'm a politician. My konofus nigi mali guys.
TBH anyway, even in church.
My konofus nigi mali. We need the financial support. Usound guy namhlebe ngela mali yokugada. Yumchova. Ubungala mali yokugada umchova yabo. Abantu abakwazi ukuthi yabe kunzima sibili ukuthi sibuye la. Bakwazi ukuthi kunzima njani ukuthi sibuye la.
Ngicela ifika la bali cheni. Ifuma li cheni.
No, ukugeza like
you must look like your problems.
ngathi nisenze interview lo
ngathi
nisenze interview lo Oliver Keith wathi ungaqali looking like your problems. Don't do that, bro. Amanzi achiphile.
Abantu basizibekubelieve.
Why?
Ngoba you don't look like your problems. No, la 2 seconds.
So lethi podcast ngisihamba.
Chiva ngisihamba upanisha thina. Lava basangeni la upanisha thina.
But yeah, you have a point. Umnuko uyabo ngafiki ngapha ku comment section.
Yakwazi bake bazama ukuinventa into eyismele vision. Way back in 1900s, 20th century ngithi. Kada siku 21st century. Early in the 20th century they wanted to like awusilunga movie house. Babesiba lama smells ababekhipha like umuntu ku TV efraya amaqanda bese kunukiza igodi la.
Angasuza lapho futhi bakhipha umsuzo.
Angazi ukuthi umdavazi babesenza njani. Angazi umdavazi. Lucky star.
Wewe fish.
Okay, you feel it in fish bay. Yabo, waso igabele fish ngavuli la. I don't know if you get where I'm going with this.
Yo, bro.
But anyway, the idea really didn't take off.
Actually, speaking of our movie house, we has watched Black Panther.
I'm hoping. Is that not what it was at the Black Panther launch?
Movie house, bro. Lapho sesikhuluma lo muntu se America, umuntu se Australia.
But I'm sure maybe you guys can rate Black Panther for us. But no spoilers. Please.
When it me lokuze yama laptop lama USB sesikhanya sesivela kathi.
Vele. Abafana bama torrent. Sesivela ngama torrent. Nasimele li Wi-Fi nje.
Sesivela ukuthi. Se download bro. Parise ngawa bro.
Do you know in the last 4 times I actually went to a movie house. Is it 4 or 5?
Yeah.
Let me count. Avengers Endgame. Avengers Infinity War. Avengers Age of Ultron.
Usakhumbula movie oyibukele
mina the only times esingahamba khona movies benilandi Avengers
bro mina ngakhohlwa la movie engangiwalandile ngoba kwafika kusiba lamanye ama extra curriculum activities
like what
like cuddling yabo uzigcina uzikhohlwa ukuthi uyipi movie. I remember bro ikona movie
yabana valisi elite la kwa bro ungathi qhayila ithi
elite bro kokule amagundwane amagundwane like ilokuze ntwa yini ngesishona imbeba
yikwini angikwazi
kokule mbeba lapha la sithi malihleli lapha iziphansi lapha
ngicabanga ngene elite mina ngene ABC.
Mali bukeleka race phela.
Abasithi bengathi yeah.
ABC yakudala before ABC before technical ingabo. There was a movie as ABC.
Lizwile ukuthi kupronounce njani? That's how it's pronounced.
Technical. Abantu bajela uthini?
Obani?
Technical.
Vela abantu kainakara.
Yeah?
Technical.
Technical. Technical.
Yes, it's a name of Dutch origin. It means condom.
But I know sometime last year, I think this year, I know, but last year this time, yeah, having been wrong. Kuma movie house. Consider saying our bro.
But ukuthi ngale vela kula extra curriculum amaningi ngathi.
Let's
be honest. Okay, lami ngagcina kudala. But we are a smokehouse. And then what else?
Yeah, hamba the SK, bro.
What else do people do for fun?
Yeah, I'm a parky, bro.
Yiko vele ngale
but eparky kunungumche kule ngise yabane eparky like esentinary park ungangena ngomkodo bro yebo wona omunye umchemo njani
uzuza imchemo emingaki le
njo imchemo yazi ke maybe I'm sure ngama layer imchemo
izidawo lezibond
but ase
labafana belokhu zobachemisa esentinary park lapha
abafana bani
tshoko isikolo leseceke park
eMilton
anathi meet alabo fana eMilton mina ngithi college liyana tshoko ePoli abantu bePoli bacheme park
yabo sisibethu abasebenza eBaro lapha but nxa ikhona ufuna mayikhona ufuna uhamba lami ku Black Panther ladies mantombazane
ladies bana bancanywa boss
I know this time I want to watch the movie bro
Mgcini yiba usinga movie house ubona ukuhlala kule stain center kwe city so stain ema city the stain center
yo bro hey but kona kumnandi yazi
ukwenzani
ukubukela movie kubukela movie house bro endlini kabani
Mgcini abakathesi bele Mgcini incela bo
futhi kabani bro
ini base bese ngase alazi ibase ngavele ngena ama base
no
mina ngesikhathi ngangise high school khona angiso ngiqamba specific years zakhona but laphana
ukhuluma uthi ngo95 aso esihle
ngesikhathi sempondo ephangolini mina I was in high school I started I almost said something so anyway during that era it's when a lot of people were actually leaving the country but we are going either to South Africa or the UK so ibase base laligcwele mfana base laligcwele
yo bro
so sasingayenza izinto emovie house
mina umasale yabehlala ikhona endlini ndoda ay vakatsho phela mzali
thina sesilama base amaphatho nest kubo Parklands nje akwasi athinta imembe yakhe
but manje base level seli problem man especially akares ukuthi iTV yawo ijayelanga ukuthi isebenza njani
ndoda hey
bro
back in
TV yakwazi ukuthi isebenza njani akwazi ukuthi light ubuyaphomba ithe ibutton bro
ukhanye back in 2013 there is a girl I was into she was studying engineering so she was a smart girl and I really wanted to impress her so it was the first time we went on a date so mina ngale moto engihamba but imoto yami ngambona neso simfaka egamini so nganomalume ami ntwele enye ibhima eyikuphe ngathi malume ilume zathi ungafi mfana wami abe siyanqanda ibhima mina abe siyasikuphu ubebe masihamba lo bebe lapha aqalisa ukunizulu ngingalibona iwindi ukuthi linga ndoda hey lama controls so ngalisweli iwindi ngambona sisithi senginethwa la abe sithi hayi windi lela sebenzi I think I told her years later but saya kumela bana zayithi windi alisebenzi akalibona iwindi
kakazibota
yeah at least abanitalk la manje iphose ngayithola 25 USA
into engitshoyo ocherry in as much as lavelilande ukwenza ukuyabukela imovie but la ungakwenzi kube obvious phela ukuthi yabo of course maybe abanye vele nxali lizwisise yena ukuthi hayi vele lapha vele silanda imovie yabo like yabe kwazi but kulabanye abantu bro
kulabantu vele bayalanda imovie akula
not imovie literally ungaphuza ukuphangisa.
Oh sorry. Ngoba because mina understand
Hey.
okay.
No, umasalo wami uyabuyela i-podcast bro. Ufuna ngikhuluma
It's too late, mfana. It's too late. We are 47.
So, yeah.
It's too late.
What I'm saying is ngenzakela ukwenze kube obvious bro ukuthi vele ulanda ukuzokhipha ilokuze nini i-USB hayi bro lahlisa lawo yabo.
Vela lokho kuzokunceka kumnandi futhi will we won't we, you know that little sangano. Ngoba umuntu engahle vele type i-message ekhulume njengomama nanti uyichiye phakathi phela ichama hazard la uthi kumnandi labana nami ngisagetsele ukuthi
Usagetsele ukuthi
thrill of the hunt.
yebo.
But ngedaba ye-bass and
Yeah.
kulale futhi ehluphayo ukuthi maybe ulike bass like let's say une-roommate.
Yeah.
Roommate yakho uyawazi wena une-mission. Esefika ebhedini wasokuthiwa qoqoqo J awufreshwanga phela i-toilet.
Roommate bani man.
Labe futhi tsamajita khona
Amajita kakuncanya la. Amajita khona.
I-West mina the usual one that I know. Inkinga ukuthi umnikazi webase ngasefika la usufika lapha sefungana sefunga uzishayinisa kakhulu la esebhizi phone. Eish bro, anyway I just gotta go. What my car? Sesiba ngufani guy. Dog usupply ibase wena. Sisibe di committee.
No sesingasabala ukuthi comedian. Ukhulumelana ukuthi le moto.
Exactly.
Sifuna ukumveza ukuthi mina ngikhazi yadubeka.
Yo man, let me actually add a pro tip. This is how you learn ukuthi umuntu is a narcissist. It's people who mention things during a story that have nothing to do with the story, but only to kind of build their grandeur. Yabo, umuntu okhulumayo ukuthi ya mina ngathi ngikhamba lapha na ndoda. Ngichaka ukuthi Air Force kwami nabasuki. Air Force lingena.
Kbrizzy la sufuna ngudubule enyaweni mawukhuluma njalo yazi
Ngani?
because ngeke akuphika khona.
Ukuthini?
So like lapha besikhuluma ngo-ASF besikhuluma ngo-ASF as an artist unowathunja lawa ngasikhuluma ngawe.
Umbuza as an artist. You asked me as an artist. Anyway, I'm not going to deny I'm a narcissist of sorts. Well, I'm not going to deny it. But I will say, I had to speak as an artist to say,
Yeah.
Anyway, sesi jump around. Besikhuluma ngani? Besikhuluma amajide base.
No, besikhuluma ngo-Black Panther.
Besikhuluma amajide base. Amafani guy. Nante World Cup yabuya man. Ake lisinika ama-odds eBetway la. Bakana abantu hlala iBetway kuma comments la.
Ukuthi i-World Cup leyan
Yeah.
ngani yabhora. Like
What do you mean?
it's not hyped up.
Anti uShakira kachanga inamba. The problem is la. Akula waka.
Lina gents, what are your predictions? Uhambalani Breeze. Bona ngani ine
To be honest, I can't fucking tell because this is a very odd World Cup, first of all.
Why?
Timing of the year.
Oh yeah.
Secondly, a lot of players also got this are coming off. How much time have they had to train with the team? Because they're still playing for my clubs about match.
Yeah.
So this World Cup feels a little fucked up. So I can't tell. One thing I'll say though is I'm not gonna call it Spain. Since it is Spain, France is defending champion.
Yeah, defending champion.
Defending champions. Hey,
Paul.
defending champions. Ngati sokule World Cup curse. Some defending champions never make it past the
Group stages.
Same thing happened to Spain after they took 2010. Same thing happened to Italy took it 2006. They didn't make
2000 and what?
2006.
Okay.
2006.
2006. Okay, yeah, it's fine. You can continue.
It's an accent, bro. It's
an accent.
Yeah, you must listen to understand.
Yeah.
2006.
2006.
And then 2010, Germany. Not Germany. That was Spain. Didn't make it past the group stage. 2014. And then Germany took it. And then 2018, Germany didn't make it past
group stages.
So in France, we're so finyanga kapokpa ngani kuthiwa isasebenzi. Umane ngosanzile inyanga eblind. This week.
Hey, umane like
ulimale 2 days.
Hey, kuthiwa se
inyanga
available for.
Yathi vuthe. Yathi sambane.
Wena Tumelo ubona ngani ine as a 30 World Cup.
Hey, then support France but hey, indaba le vele uthi abaphuma
Ukante ukhona futhi.
ngakho.
Bathathiswa ngukante.
No Kante, no Pogba, no
Giroud. About Giroud ipapa. Funny fact. Giroud wa winning World Cup. They won the World Cup in 2018. Number 9. What lift the World Cup with 0 shots on target. The entire fucking tournament. 0 shots on target.
Yo.
No, he played, bro. He played like 3 or 4 games. He played a bunch of games.
Yo.
0 shots on target.
but okusalayo
Giroud.
I think with i-World Cup angeke ngikhulume ukuthi ngisupporta iphi country bro because iZimbabwe ayikho.
So ama group stage vele.
Mina ngiqala ukusupporta maybe sesiku round of 16.
Actually, let's be honest. Okay, let me not say let's be honest. Here's my strategy. I support every African team until they finally drop out.
Yeah.
Because that's what most people do. So this is Khambangani, iGhana ikhona.
Hayi Senegal sambangomane dog.
Sambangomane, iGibhithe.
Usala guy ku World Cup afethu.
Yebo.
Ayikho Egypt. Bafayikho. Ayikho Egypt ku World Cup.
What other African country? Cameroon, Nigeria. Khani bafana ke?
Mana lokuzis.
SMH.
They'll be watching with us.
Sikhulume.
They'll be watching with us.
African teams in the World Cup.
When algorithm vele lihle lezi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Cameroon, Morocco, Senegal, Tunisia. Tunisia African country.
Amakhiwa labo Morocco.
So some Cameroon le Senegal eGhana.
Yeah. But Senegal ngathi
Did you guys see ukuthi kuthiwa eQatar but apparently that thing was a spoof. Ama rules about what to do nxa lise Qatar. What no homosexuality.
What do you
No
mean by
drinking,
spoof,
no loud. Someone said those were not the actual rules. It was someone was making. It's a joke. That's what spoof means, my friend.
Oh, okay. I know. Siyafunda every day. But now that usikhuluma ngakho, ngike ngabona something. I don't know how far true is it. But it's a statement from Abdullah Ngombalela.
It's from Mgcini to the
Yeah. It's from Habib.
It's from Habibi.
So if you want to express your views on the LGBT cause, do so in a society where it will be accepted. Do not come and insult an entire society. We will not change the religion for 28 days. If a fan raises a rainbow flag in a stadium and it is taken away, it will not be because we want to offend him, but to protect him. If we don't, another spectator could attack him. If you buy a ticket, it is to attend a football match and not to demonstrate.
So very generally, what's people's take on Qatar being strict about
Nothing
religion and their laws and not?
Very people were against the location from the beginning, so that dampened the mood. They World Cup. They said a place where there's a lot of rules and restrictions for people to be free.
Yeah, but then what does that say about FIFA? If FIFA is supposed to be a impartial board, and if FIFA goes beyond any religion, any what? That's what the FIFA stands for. So what are they implying if they start saying, yeah, we can take our tournament to Christian nations but not Muslim nations? Iman. So anyway, that whole argument, because it's a Muslim nation, that's just people saying our religion is more acceptable than yours. Christians who are saying, or people who believe whatever. Because the idea is, respect someone's belief as much as they. Some people are saying, okay, then why did they host the World Cup if they're not going to loosen their laws? But then also, how would you go into someone's house? Meaning, is try so far dealing with Rababa Wendley. Need party mnendlini yami. Ngihlale sofeni ngilifuna. So sengihlale sofeni. You get there, you respect the laws of the place.
Yeah, but I think he joke le element of iqiniso yabo. Yes, bekuyi spoof. But ama beliefs wabantu be Qatar asoka change bro. And statement lesekugcineni city ama spectators yiwaza responda ngendlela aza responda ngayo. Yabo, so in as much as maybe the government officials bezathi no, it's fine, yonke into iright lizayenza lina elikufunayo, but ama host abantu libathola yibo vela abazaba hostile bro. Yabo, so it's a tricky situation. But
one of my biggest problems is the westernization and their belief that their core values should be the world's values.
Yeah.
It's bro, if you want to allow things in your own backyard, it's fine, but don't force them down someone else's throat. you know.
Yeah.
Mina kufala ukuthi wena nxa uthanda ukumasturbate. Akwenza uyi-one kushap. But uzomasturbate cheki emoteni yami. You see what I'm saying? Now we have a problem. So it's okay to have your morals and your values and all
But
that.
don't you think
Because here's what these people are saying from my understanding. They are not saying ungabuyela pho istabani. Right? They're not saying we will hunt you down unless I'm wrong. But it's, you know, we're not going to hunt you down. You can come here and be that. But don't wave it in our faces, bro. Don't demonstrate it. Don't be ungachayi string la epore. Uyindoda. Because those provoke. But ungabuzigqokele kahle uchayi Elise le Fabiani yakho. Uzibukele idisco khambi. We're not going to bother you, bro.
No, but
And I think it's not an outlandish request.
into ngisho ukuthi when don't you think ukuthi ama gigs are big vele, like ama itender elingakana vele, like itender letender elikhulu like
Vele libe lama stipulations.
vele selibuya lama conditions anjalo, bro. So when amawuzali accepta mele ube kwazi ukuthi yini odila la.
It's fair. It's fair. That is a fair, because that's what other people were saying at first. But then I said, if football is FIFA, but impartial to any sexuality, religion, race. So labo, once they start saying we can't bring our tournament to you guys because we have different beliefs, it becomes a problem. So if FIFA had to, as long as under okay, do they have the capacity, do they have the stadiums, do they have the infrastructure to host a World Cup? If they do, what their religion is should not come into place.
Damn. Parano.
Goma chistring important uphela simple. Mina ndivuna ama betway odds ngathi sengibhizi ngikhuluma LGBTQ community.
Bazakutshela like
Anje wona futhi LGBTQ community igcwele yonke indawo. Lase boreni. Xa ukuyela ibhora sifukele uZiru echa 0 shots on target. La ku podcast.
hey.
You see what I'm saying?
This is cancelisa, but it's fine.
Ngana ba cancel izinto not LGBTQ.
One mina vele angeza ke bangikhansilele hayi angeke ngikhansilele but vele mba no khansila
lokuzeni
Twitter warriors.
ndoda thina wasila umuntu ohamba actually yeah
so cancel ngudoni mi
we don't have
ikisaba worried
we don't have a Twitter hashtag
Tina
yeah
oh well yeah okay my bad we're
supposed to have a Twitter,
consistent Twitter hashtag.
Yeah, so that abantu bangabukela i-podcast la bahambe ku Twitter. Actually, if you're watching this podcast or you're listening kuma streaming platforms, asambe ku Twitter right now. Hashtag. Nah. That's not corporate. That's not corporate material. Yeah.
That's not good business, bro.
That's not good business, bro.
Sebenze beyithuka balo podcast lo mfaya abayi 3. Mfaya. Yukuthi abantu bamspela fana. Abasipela mfaya onye phale fwe.
No, bro. Like
Uthi Chama Hazard.
Hashtag ByoPodcast.
Yeah, but that's lazy also, bro.
No, bro. Like that's the name of the.
You're not creative for
that's
shit.
the name of the podcast.
Okay, I'm 3. It doesn't need to be one hashtag, bro.
No, but hey, kumele kube le one consistent. Hashtag ByoPodcast. Yeah, but somebody on Twitter right now. Let's tell you what do you think about.
Did you see that clip of
today's episode?
Did you see that clip of that guy from? I don't know the full story. This guy who shot his girlfriend.
Yo.
Did you guys see it?
I have a faith. Why?
First of all, sincerest condolences to the family of the victim.
What's the story about? What happened?
I don't know. From what I read, and there's a screenshot that's going around. This guy has been financially supporting this girl, and they've been together for a long time. And the girl broke up with him, and he just couldn't take it. So he has... Urecorder, dog. Bruh. Urecorder. Then clearly it's premeditated. It's not even heat of the moment things.
So manje, if video lenu isengavela.
Because he was already talking to his cousin MJ, I'm gonna go shoot that girl because I've been there. You see, this is the other thing, bro. There are people who will do things for you as a currency to kind of buy your loyalty. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of this happens to a lot of women in relationships. There was a girl that I was once with, and then sathi si break her up, I'd bought her a phone. Wabe sithi, alright, ndizakubisela le phone yakho.
How?
And then I was like, who have you been dating, bro? You know, ukuthi usubona ngani.
Ifone sengifuna.
Yeah, gifts are supposed to be because I can, because I want to, because seeing you happy makes me happy. If a year later uvuka decided ukuthi you don't want to be with me anymore, it's fine, bro.
Plus, I think I'm a breakup. Don't have to be messy, bro.
Unless
Like no, at some point, like I feel like
no. Break up
lalela. Of course, like I think I break up in stages, man. Kulesikhathi senesizatshela khona sekunjala kaba doti yomuntu yabo but
uthi ungena onendlini uyithola ichama hazard.
No, lokhu ngama events leader to I break up. Nase ngikhuluma after sokwenzakile. Of course kuzafika isikhathi ukuthi vele liza lingakhulumisani bro. But I feel like inhliziyo yaphola at some point. So ngakuthatha
le comeback sex le.
So ngakuthatha 20 years. So ngakuthatha abanye ba 2 weeks yabo. But kumele lifike ku point ukuthi i relationship yeni si amicable. So ikwanisa ukuhlangana libingelelani.
Well, yabona thina lapha we're being optimists, we're actually being idealists because ideally that's how it should be. But amajida clearly some people balobukhwele.
But bro, to the extent yokuthi uzubulala umuntu kabuhlungu kanjalo.
Ndoda. So once again condolences to the family and friends of the victim in that video. That is a very sad thing, bro. And it really sucks because the whole time, from the messages I saw, all he kept mentioning was the things I've done for this girl. I didn't. Angikhumbuki kahle. La message sithi ngiyamthanda. He was just saying ngambhadalela lokho, ngambhadalela lokho.
I feel like so it danger for amankazana that are involved in those kind of relationships.
Very much.
Ukuthi umember is doing whatever he's doing. Yabo thengela yonke into of which akusoqala it's fine like it's fine
if you want to shower you
like umuntu mayefuna ukuspoil yakuspoil but maye kuspoila esifaka lama terms and conditions ukuthi and ama signs abe khona uyabubona ukuthi umuntu lo waye ngathi ufila entitled
to me
just because he's providing whatever
unless vele if it's the kind of relationship you can tell ukuthi he barter trade especially chere wabujwala lo sugar daddy la akhodali uyabona ukuthi angikwani la lapha ngene ngemali ngiyambhadalela irent ngiyamthela ama grocery uyangihlabisa but mina sengikhulumela a relationship okuthiwa you guys like each other. It's like I'm not encouraging girls to now only date people who don't buy them things. I'm just saying be
broke
careful.
Boys.
Yeah, broke boys are up. I'm just saying be careful being with someone who does things for you and uses it as currency to as entitlement.
Yeah, plus I think enye into engifundileyo this week, bro. There is no harm in getting into a relationship lo muntu ongalalutho you build together.
You got in a relationship this week
like like I saw people that have made it in life asebe ku point ukuthi sebele mali and mawumbuza bro ukuthi so umuntu lo olaye manje lihlangane nini akutsho ukuthi ngumuntu engiqalelayo like umuntu lo ebekhona ngahuzuka laye. I feel like ama relationship anjalo are safer. I'm not saying amankazana should date or his members ngalamali.
Broke boys are
yabo like xa unufuna umjida ole mali like I preference yakho but just be careful. Yabona ukuthi ungagcina ujola lo hlanya oluza feel entitled to ukuthi wena awusamiyali just because bekuspoiler
uyimoda ngiyakhe.
Yeah. Yabo. Hunger, bro.
Then you enter a relationship. The chances are very high that you find yourself maybe being abused, or you end up trying to commit suicide.
Listen, umjolo vele igamble, bro. That one we can never take away. It doesn't matter. This episode seems very irrespectively episode.
Yeah. Awungantshindile ngaphela so.
Bese ngibaska ini glory ukuthi sasa abantu abadala.
Yeah.
I think it's very important for spirit in Amachi.
Siyafraya.
Yeah.
Because
Mele ngistrop.
Ngiseli drink.
Four rigs.
Ah.
Say out down so but
Yey. Sitshela ukuthi drive i-Audi.
I'm a narcissist.
Yey. I know, but yeah.
So as long you show I would say for a cheat. I'll speak for a cheat.
Yeah.
Don't cheat in a relationship for a good reason.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it would be on a blind spot on you to intention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, let's hope so.
Plus, I think laying into guys. I was athengela umuntu gift. I was athengela be to thengela umember ubuthengela ucherry i-gift. Ungabi entitled ukuthi wena mele uthole something in return.
Hey Mgcini ngamenzelani?
I-gift uyinika out of love.
Namuhla sechena yedwa. What the fuck?
Umgcini sebusy ke lesigqoka ama jacket ami.
What the fuck?
Yaqanda ubufuna ngenzeni.
But I will say, this is not to say even ama broke boys labo haven't had cases aba abuse aba girlfriend aba child and blah.
Actually, our cases amaningi I feel like ama broke boys.
Because most of them have nothing to lose.
Yeah.
At least if you are someone who has money, which means you have the awareness to build a business and be financially stable. You have the awareness to also judge situations. So I will just generally say, laba besikhuluma in specifically about this kind of setup because that's what happened in the last week.
Yeah.
But vele umjolo wonke vele is a gamble, bro. Omunye umuntu yakutshela ukuthi yena wathola umuntu ongumfundisi. Umfundisi wamchaya.
Damn.
You know? So
I guess into some way agenda.
agenda
yethu namuhla like GPV guys hayi. Yabo. Whether ngabafazi or ngama phela amadoda
as a statement osikhulumile lesithi yazi si useless onga. It's not like, do you think there's an abuser right now was watching this episode was Mgcini city GPV machida hayi chomla nathi you know what.
No, but yabona
into
khona kwini into engiyazi ukuthi nxa kule abuse esibukileyo right now sick.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Wozotrapana namachida.
Yabo channel size zakho. Yabo but again into ndimfuna ukuyikhuluma ngiqhuma. Bekuyikuthi iGPV goes both ways. Yabo bakhona amauchere watrapa machida.
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
Call me old fashioned. Lavana feeling you fucked up. It's not as bad. It's like,
dude.
Yeah.
Bro, you cannot say that, bro.
I'm telling you 100%.
It's why you about child.
Name cool. I'm just saying, do you know, even from a biological standpoint, men are built to be bigger and faster and stronger than women. This is not a sexist thing. The science has proven that men have bigger hearts, which means they pump more oxygenated blood to the muscles, which means we are faster at activity. We have more.
Hey, if I want to call him a passion ninja.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk because this is not sexism. This is just straight facts. We have more lean muscle, I think. Most men can work out until they have like 2% body fat, but women can only go as like high as 5%. The reason women are just generally chubbier than us is because they're built to be incubators. So they need to have warm exterior. Because they've wider hips to create a space for the womb for childbearing. It means inyawo zabo ziyahlangana center. So amadolo abo are generally are inverted phakathi kwedlula amajita. So women, especially in sports, are 4 times more likely to break their knees than amadoda. They have looser cage. So there's all the science that proves to effectivity generally as a guy. No, girls might get angry all they want, but uchara mucheri.
But the things have changed.
Guys, in there khona ocheri mafethu. Ocheri batrapa.
Anya.
Ocheri bakutrapa, bro.
But statistically there is less of that happening than amajita.
Baza kutrapa one day. Sizabona sikhuluma.
And ungaba fucked up. Je kula machera ba masayiko uthi abakuthela ngamanzi achisayo.
Into ezinjalo.
Yeah, that shit happens, dog. That shit happens. But I mean, I feel like when you must already set yourself as the alpha in the relationship. I'll never do anything to you. But long as one
uyenzani into usuchile.
You're asking for it. Mina ngiyakusilela. Yazilakusela impilo lapha nokwathi things ngibe yiSwitzerland. Ngizoqoqoda. Try trick bottom for maximum mobility.
bro.
I'll tell you about fast matches.
Wangachaya resuchaya.
Kada singimni khwa.
Isibhakero busichaya.
Haba nothi bafazini. Uthi general. Khuluma kuhle phela.
Ndoda, uzosikhanselisa.
Yazi nomfana wena.
Yazi.
Talk properly.
Khuluma kuzwakale la.
So this one day,
Yeah.
I'm trying to check. It's not like that call you. And I'm going to push it to the point whereby okay, I'm going to show you one day. We will see as indoor. This bagger now.
You pretend bad are.
But you know how fast. When I really soft heart, when I so. Push me to the edge. As when I'm talking about it now, this one guy who is the same thing.
When you very well pending.
Oh, but teach you me, but then you know.
Fast.
This is a good over.
Ah, but
Well,
again, guys.
that was a good story, bro.
Yo, cousin. Bese ngikuqhu ukuthi story
Yo,
lesivela njani le.
I was on the edge of my seat because when it was good.
Nango esikhanselisa.
Is a 50 voice here.
Nango esikhanselisa lo. Kanti uthini guys?
He just beat a guy. It's
But I
not
know.
important.
Ngolulo kuzeni ngolu papa voice.
Ngolu papa voice.
Yeah. Ukuthi
But now papa sebemdele. What actually badele? Anyway, I'm going around in circles.
yikho nje podcast le into iqala bembuza ukuthi guys kukhona nelifuna ukukhuluma.
My gents, kule
Singaqalisi
video
ukuba
engangayibona.
serious.
Selingantshela lina. There's a video I saw. uCherry wena kunje uCherry umchithele ehambe ngini etrap masalo wakho.
Ha.
Didn't you see that video? This guy was saying, "Hey, this your mama, right? Hey, you want to play with my fucking heart?" Like to masalo.
But mina into engitsho ukuthi nani. I feel free uhamba umasado. But good luck ukuthi uphume sharp.
Hey, but let's say, asakhulumele yakhe indaba.
Yeah.
How do we deal now with the situation where
Amapolisa guys.
sihambe yacha
Amapolisa. Yikho lapho amapolisa angena khona.
So wena
Umsebenzi wabo.
umama
Hamba ubophisa umuntu bro.
uthi ungena uthole bemshaya umasalo wakho. Ex yakhe ishaya umasalo wakho.
Baseparate bro. Ungaza vele ukuchaya umfazi. Lokhu is not up for debate bafethu ukuthi maybe nxe yeah usungakwenza yebo but as a man ungaqali vele ukushaya umfazi. Yeah.
Can you understand ukuthi ushaya umfazi akho right? And sikhulumela maybe ama cases where indoda vele ishaya umfazi ubona uchawu umuntu ongabiseliyo angithi. In this scenario I'm describing, this girl is beating my mother. What is he trying to communicate? Because she is clearly saying she understands how to use violence as a medium to send a message. And she wants to send me a message. So clearly you know how to talk in violence. Because if you didn't believe in violence as a means of communication,
I think
so I'm not. This is
if you see and communicating in violence, it doesn't give you the right to respond in violence.
But what do you mean it doesn't give me the right? No one has the right to beat anyone. But now we're in a scenario where
she's in the wrong, and so it doesn't mean that wrong here. Two wrongs don't make a right.
yeah as a man Kbrizzy ngeza ufike wena susha.
Mina all I will say is I cannot sit here on this comfortable couch and talk about what I would do if I found a girl beating my mother, because I don't know what I would do. That's all I'll say.
I think abantu ku comment section bangasitshela ukuthi I situation like I scenario yakhuluma ngayo Kbrizzy ungenzani wena, like what would you do like in such a scenario?
Okay, sisempini. Alright, what about empini? Sisempini. Na umama uyathutha la.
Empini siyadura.
So empini is fake game.
Empini bro, empini vele sisempini. Ngingayela uBoris uzaborisa mina.
So are we all so self ukuthi we can't just make it black and white and say ungashaya umfazi.
No, plus Mountaineer, I think empini like example enikayo Kbrizzy. Laphana vele asikha. Plus angikhangi ansoke empini mina ngihambe ngikhangela ukuthi ole nipuli imbani. Okuthicha phambi kwami ukugqoke into engayigqokanga mina.
So mina my point is ushaya umamami. It is no longer about sex anymore. We are in a hostile environment and I have to defend my person. It's the same way. All right. I see to tell mama ko echawa nguchomo ngumjida. Hi, I'm going somewhere with this. But echomo ko ni stabani. Now, if I beat that guy, is it a homophobic act? I'm not doing it based on Uti. This is your sexual preference. I'm defending my mother. So, Mina, the way I see it, if we're in that position, Uti, this is no longer about Utu Mumfazi. You are a person who's violence. Lami, things are being violence.
Do something.
Choksley, my boy.
Scenario.
Yeah.
What if vele umjida bahlala ukutrapa strong fast. Then this one day you wake up it's enough.
Sitting in self-defense, all right.
No, mawuntele. Bafethu. Ngiyalitshela mina into lezi kuqala so the next thing siyabe sesizwe report lapha so kumele sixoxane lapha ku podcast la so ngiyalitshela ukuthi like izinto ezinje vela awumelanga vele uz entertain ekhanda yabo like umfazi
100% immunity. You want them to walk around.
No,
It's like this. That's why even when there's these cases, they always weigh which, all right, what was the reason, the catalyst. So in your case, and they'll look at it, okay, why did you lay hands on Umfaz Wak? And then if there's a valid reason, then they'll say, okay, fine. In this case, and what you're doing is wrong. But then
yikho kulo cold-blooded lo hot-blooded yikho kulama aggravating factors yikho
Into
abaphonga ukuthi uchawa umfazi 10 years babuza
into
into masalambele cancer ube chawa umuntu cancer ngazama ukulamula ka 2 ka 3 wabe sithi wena njengawe ngimakhala akho lawa ngathi ngawangani wabe sithi fuck you wabe sithi uyihlo ngaze ngathi mantshi ngamuntu laba
yabona
so funa uppercut
into le ekhona uthe umfazi yabe kushaya every day bro all business yokuhlala lo mfazi okushaya every day suka u relationship
kulabantwana
chiya bro
it's not that easy.
nangumgcini
nampa abantu wena ungahlala ku relationship ubondo every day wena
abakuma comments khona ikhona enye thoba ibukele kahle so gents
this gents
Okay? Look at it this
now you can come
Look at it this way. Umuntu lo, and maybe let's say umuntu lo who's being beaten and already has like a situation like emotional and gakko sharp, and she depends on that person to provide that emotions that they're
emotional. What do you mean, dog?
phela omnye umuntu let's say
cases, Jay. Like
khulukhuma enhlanya
hayi.
Like when into ngitsho mina bro awukho ku business yokujola lo muntu ohlanya umbonto lo muntu yahlanya toxic relationships bro
I'm now say it's easier said than done because
no
Gcini omunye umuntu phela uthola ukuthi i-relationship yena cha 2-3 years kungela kuthana liswe mana seliphushile bekubambe wena mama ufeva umjida ediscovered one of abantwana sobakhe usumasi usechisela enhlizweni and then the relationship starts getting sour when you're trying to fix it next thing siyakushaya omunye umuntu stays in a relationship because ubona ngani part of ukushaya kwakhe is their own doing yimi ngaflopayo. It's not like ukuthi phela ubonga utshayela ukuthi he uthi nandoze emfrijini bo ebokhala ithambo lomdini
mina into engitsho njengendoda bro all our business yokuthi wena uchaya umfazi ikho kulida to into zona lezana zokuthi udubule umfazi wafa yabo because ienga umuntu endoda mayizondile le bra wena nxa uthole umfazi echaya umasalo wakho ngendlela yabuzonde ngayo ungadecide ukuthi wena sifuna ukumshambula le kwaba into ongayenza indoda uqinile thatha ukuyisilenda ukufakela uhambe ukujikela emotweni uhambise ngibo usuqedile like amanye ama situations anjalo bafethu of course selingathi
if umuntu uyamlokuzele wayibona ivideo ka Cherrano oyehlisa ibruku wabhotshe mile yazi what itsa was spray what if ndoda uyambamba umuntu ethi fuseko njenga akuthi
internet ezinge abantu ababuyeleyo bro bangasitshela ukuthi bona bacabangani because I feel like thina vela sitoke sifike ku
yeah I didn't say I was going to do it but all I said is until I'm in that position I really don't know guys I can't sit here and talk about ngingangena ngitholi ex yami chawo mamami ngithi no usadaro
but into ngitsho guys GBV usadaro GBV yeah usaidaro GBV of course president it's not like umuntu enza iGBV uzathi umgcini uthe stop GBV namhla ngizamlalela yazi kurongo but I feel like indlela esikhuluma ngayo yabona you can tell ukuthi i situation serious onganani yabo and as a man or as umfazi ungabi involved in doing it. Just walk away.
Sure. Now,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be a victim blamer anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna say ukuthi hela ungadele lose child out. People need to mina vele I think ungazibona indoda lawe usu in a I promise people also get into a cycle yokushaya umfazi.
Yeah.
Nomfazi uzethola every week. Come on, dog. Let me reevaluate yourself. Am I expressing my grievances the wrong way? Which you clearly
That's
are.
also a problem. But I don't know. What else are we?
Stay
supposed to talk
ticket.
about?
Na ngicela uyi-1 kuma comments so that I find ama ticket ebetway World Cup. Ukuthi siza ama predictions yena la. Sibone ukuthi
Hey.
fedede.
Umnyaka suphelile kodwa lekubona.
So isikhathi Christmas.
Umnyaka suphelile umbuzo wami wokugcina for today. Since ngithanda imbuzo. Baye bangingenela kuthiwa unotha ngangigijimela ukuthi my next question.
Awunothe
Bhala ama flow phala.
ukuthi vele laba ngathi kule accountability lokuze mina mispronounce ibala 10 minutes last episode. Awula muntu ngicorrectile wena.
I think into khona.
Ningodanda nafana.
It's understandable in your case to know why, because
Yeah.
with him Munyoti he's got a lot to say.
Yeah.
And then there's some things that of course we cannot
Yeah, man, sesaba. Like I feel like okunye, I think okunye yikuchala uvalo lokuthi yabo so like you interview umuntu bro. Pressure.
People also don't know what it's like to.
They should imagine themselves in your seat.
Yeah, boy.
And
With a guy like as controversial as Unoto, you can't just allow a guy just to wah.
No, but I think enye into futhi ekadinzima ngiqalisile kuze nini? Ngiqalisi i-podcast ukuthi nxa ngi-interview umuntu lami ngithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu and everything, but
so
yabona
ukukhuluma kakhulu.
with time uyafunda la ukuthi Kbrizzy vele uyalawula too much, so mayilawula lapha mengithule mina ngimlalela khuluma qede yabo angaqeda then bese sinjani bese sivala i-podcast ithi thanks
bese sidlula kweni.
yeah, so but kenje vele besifuthini
Ufuthi lo mnyombuzo angazi ufukhuluma uthe lo mbuzo.
Yeah.
Besiqeda ukukhuluma ngeWorld Cup. Besikhuluma
yeah besikhuluma nge-GBV, but bemfuna ukuthi umnyaka suphelile, did you guys achieve izinto ade fake kuma new year resolutions yenu?
was this year your year?
Yeah, was this year?
Cut some people off. Cutting.
Live
You
akukhathile.
cut people off. Yeah, but I think mina this year ngikwenzile practically cutting people off. Like, nah, bro.
As very famous.
Nah, no.
Ah.
No. It's not about fame, bro. Mina impintshi zami zibili impintshi zami ziyakwazi ukuthi nxa zikhuluma lami akula fame ekhona, bro.
Famous one, I'm down to earth.
I'm humble.
Famous, but I'm humble.
I'm humble as fuck.
Show Piliato.
Yeah.
If you don't see my status in the next 10 minutes,
And that means I've cut you off. Ama WhatsApp.
Ningakwenzi lokho this new year please. Yes, Kenya.
But
Ama WhatsApp enifuna akuchaze ufaka ama Bible verse kanti sonke sine Bible app dog. Yes, suggest daily verse of the day.
no, asiwonke umuntu layo, bro. Qhathekile ukuthi uchumayele. Noni yakwazi ukuthi ungapost ilokuzeni ivesi yavuka idemon. Yakwazi ukuthi yachiza bit.
Fuck you with a file.
Oh, but are you guys in a position to say ukuthi lisharp this year, like 2022
This year was a fuck.
ebe grand bekusharp, like did you guys achieve kade lifuna uku-achieve from the beginning of the year?
Ay mina this year siyaphila nje
Siyaphila.
sihambayo.
You wish
Sikhamba labahambayo.
siyayi freestyle le life. No, I think this year beku tough, bro. I think okunye i-situation yokusuka endlini yabo masujayira ukuthi uhlala ngini.
You grew up this year, my boy.
Yeah, hey.
So the base, Mgcini is the base.
Hey. What are you saying?
Anyone of which
Yeah,
I'm
well.
twiki.
So yabona ukusuka from Entumbani nje Country Park yabo, like
Ngafuna umchoko sokugada ka2.
emchova sengigada ka2 yabo. I feel like phase yona leyana ki man. I think bekuthi i-Country kusombe. Yeah, i-Country kusong. Igobala ndake nje kunyani.
Wona ukhuluma nomchova ogcina nini? Wow,
I'm Audi guys, Audi boys. Yeah.
Azothola
Azothola guys.
wena umjova wena vele 5 years 8 years ungawazi.
But I know. I think
Wena umjova $50.
he hlala ne
Ah,
counter park.
kuvalwe.
Hlala ne counter park.
Ah, but they booked asiphendukile maybe kuzaba ngcono vele.
Yeah.
Booked asiphendukile vele.
I'll even not just iPupta but public transport nje ayisekho twayini balalela city monopolized.
Ayisekho monopolized.
Yeah.
Leokana futhi was another thing, but anyway, this is not a political show.
But our 2022 hey bekuyilahla bo, but was just praying and hoping ukuthi podcast liqhubeke bro kuze kube.
It's true. Nalamo mnyaka lo uqala never in a million years thought I'd be.
Yeah, but yeah, I think he was fear regarding the podcast le ukuthi kuzafika point bro yokuthi siyawenta sela like asila send sibi like kubi bra like sokudinga ukuthi uhambe isebenze ngozi mine
Ngavi
sokudinga ukuthi
abantu abayazi ngozi mine laba abo ngozi mine lemara
le mara yeah I think
mara vela kumara bishi
kwazi but benza khuluma ukuthi yo sizafika ku point ukuthi asakwanisa ukuthi sibuye ku podcast because asila mali, and I'm sure bro law at some point uzafisa ukuthi uthenge indlu ulobole yabo
ngenzeni
ulobole yabo yabo masitshona lapha yabona izinto zingathi azi make sense kuyadinga ukuthi samsi sidinga imisebenzi because asiqhatshwa
sethola amabasa.
So abantu guys
mina lise bemfuna ukumithisa
ngose
ngathi azithola kahle afaleris somebody give me something man.
Yabo so
maybe next year
abantu abasibukeleyo guys nxa lifuna ukusupporta financially asithi ukuthi siyadubeka but support ishow like ishow ukuthi iqhubeke yabo ukuthi sibuye thina la every weekend sizolishaya ngecontent imandi yakho ibe sharp, like we really need the support. Asifuna ukuzithola
vele ngifuna benze support ama goals zami because like I said ngifuna ukumithisa. So anyone
mina
lesibelethwa ngasisebenziyo
mina ndinga
next year.
Mina ndinga umsebenzi remote like
remote.
Yeah, ukuthi ngekwenza.
Or remote.
Yeah.
Nganje remote. Ukani kama remote.
Or remote. So remote. Working remotely like so my khona ufuna umplug abona ngomsebenzi ukuthi this
cut isikhuluma nokuthanda
sithole imali ukuthi sibiye ku podcast yabo siqhubeke futhi si record. Otherwise thank you very much for umenze vele
I ngibala something but yabo hayi dynamics ikhona wona akakhulumanga.
Yeah,
he just thank you ngahle ngazi ukuthi so many nchai kapuya ka 619
wrestling emnandi
lokho
ibukela vele this is a discover into eziningi bro. How many hours?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
thank you very much for tuning in. Likes, subscribe, interact. Until the next one.
Tell Tanya.
La baby song keep it. Oh, miss keep on taking what.
But are you ready? I am ready. Don't give me way.
I but if I phezulu.
No, asifaki. Namhla sifaki. Siyaphuma khona. But are you ready?
Think.
I am ready. Don't give me way. I'm okay.
Silama advertising packages. Ungabhadala imali encane ingoma yakho siyifaki seyihlale.
Yeah.
Nena nge 20 US.
Disjela ka.
20 US elihlabela ingoma kushow.
Ngayere usinike imali eningi seyihlabela ingoma yakho sizayibhimba.